We'll guide you through how to log in to WooCommerce with ease. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to your WooCommerce store's login page. Typically, this is found at your store's URL followed by WP admin. Once you're there, you'll see the WordPress login screen, because WooCommerce is a plugin that runs on WordPress. Enter your username or email address and your password in the respective fields. If you're logging in for the first time or if you've forgotten your password, you can click on Lost Your Password to reset it. Make sure your caps lock is turned off when entering your password to avoid any login issues. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. If the information is correct, you'll be redirected to your WordPress dashboard where you can manage your WooCommerce store. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you'll need to enter the code sent to your email or Authenticator app to complete the login process. Remember, keeping your login details secure is crucial for the safety of your store. You can also check the Remember Me box if you're using a personal device to stay logged in for future sessions. Once you're in, you'll have access to all the tools and settings you need to run your store efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.